Are you thinking of joining a career in financial services? If you are, here's the top 5 reasons to join the financial industry. Number 1, unlimited income potential. Financial roles, especially in sales or advisory positions, often offer performance-based compensation such as commissions, bonuses, and residual income. This allows you to directly influence your earnings. Number 2, job flexibility and independence. Many financial professionals, like life insurance agents or financial advisors, can set their own schedules and work independently. This flexibility is ideal for maintaining work-life balance. Number 3, career growth opportunities. The financial industry is vast, with diverse career paths, whether in banking, insurance, investment, or advisory roles. You can specialize into different leadership and management roles. Number 4, make a positive impact. By helping individuals and businesses manage their finances, save for the future, or protect against risk, you are doing a significant role for improving their financial security and well-being. And number 5, continuous learning and skill development. The financial industry is dynamic and ever evolving. So meaning you're gonna get updated with regulatory changes, new updates, new policies for professional and personal growth. So this combination of rewards, flexibility, meaningful impact makes the financial industry a very good choice for competitive professionals like you. So if you are interested to join the insurance industry, we are offering a 50% off discount to get certified with your life insurance qualifications. So just comment below or message me for more information. Have a good day!